So over here in my composition, you can see that I have one camera right here. But what you can do is you can have multiple cameras. So over here, you can see that this is the camera that you have over here. So what you can do is you can go around and resize this camera out right here, just like this in the layer. So now what you can also do is you can go around and create a new layer of camera right here. So the camera which is on the top is what you see in view, as you can see. So you can go around and resize this out right here, just like this, the layer, the camera layer that is. And what happens is that you have the first camera view right here, as you can see, just like this. And then you got the second camera view over here, just like this. There's some motion glitch over here, so I'm just going to go around and delete this camera out right here. Let me just go around and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and then a duplicate of the camera actually pops up right here, as you can see. So for this particular camera, I'm going to go around over here and set the alignment towards the target layer right here. And the alignment layer will be SSS right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and move this, this is what I have, as you can see. So if I were to go around on the beginning and press the play button over here, you can see that this is the first camera view right here, just like this. And as soon as it gets there, you get the second camera view over here, just like this. Let me just go around and pull this out right here. So let me just go around and resize this out right here and resize this camera layout over here as well. And then over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Ctrl C and V, and there's this another camera view over here, as you can see. So now I'm going to go around and move this out over here. So let's just go around over here and then move this camera view. So this is what I have, as you can see. So this is the first view, second view, and then this is the third view again. So if I were to go around and move this towards the bottom, this is the other camera view. So as I go around, and then you can see that as I scrub around the timeline cursor, you can see that I get different camera views right here. And that is how you can go around and add in multiple cameras right here. And you can adjust the camera layers right here, just like this. You can resize it out so that you see the camera view that you want, just like this. So that is how you can go around and work around with multiple cameras inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.